Yeah. As I was saying, as truck drivers, we are just asking to be respected. As the same way that people are respecting nurses, because we are both offering essential services. You see, so people they don't have to see us as if we are the ones who are spreading this coronavirus thing. So we're just asking for this kind of respect. We are heroes of our time. We need to be recognized as well. If you see, even in America, other truck drivers are being given free food wherever they are going along the way, and they're being respected. But us here in Africa, it's a different scenario. So that's the best part. That's the very important thing that we need from everybody. Not like when I see someone, they just know that I'm a truck driver, and then people starting run away from us and thinking that we're having coronavirus. We don't have. Actually, we are the one who don't have. Maybe only 2% of truck drivers have got coronavirus because we're always being tested everywhere. Whereas other people are just at home, they're not being tested, they're just moving around, they're not being tested, they're just being screened, not tested coronavirus. Here in Namibia, we're not getting food. We buy food for our own. By the quarantine facility, we are not being offered food. But in Zambia, we are being given food. They give us food in Zambia. Yeah. So, yeah, we buy our own food. We buy food by ourselves. That's how we do usually. But if anybody just know that we are a truck driver, there's no one to associate with you. So it's a challenge as well. Yeah. So sometimes we have to send some other people to buy for us food. Because if you go out again, then it's a problem.